Zinan AccTek Machinery Limited Company was registered in the year of 2013 in Jinan. AccTek machines were designed and developed from extensive knowledge. Our main products are CNC routers, laser cutting machines, laser marking machines, laser cleaning machines, and laser welding machines. These machinery are used in many industries. Stock and custom solutions for each individual's needs are our specialty. We also support OEM and ODM for customers. All the products are certificated by CE standards. The main components for our machine are sourced from world-class suppliers and innovators in machine controls. After years of development, AccTek Group owning 2 branches now. We have been to several international exhibitions that were held in different countries. Also, we serve customers from more than 120 countries and regions. AccTek not only supplies quality products and solutions, but also provides each customer with comprehensive after-sales and follow-up services. At every stage of machine setup, you will have the support of our professionals. We help you understand the installation, operation, and optimize processes to bring out the best in your machine. Our dedicated team and thorough quality assurance procedures mean that you can buy with confidence. Apart from the products and service, we are also committed to a mindful and ethical business practice. We welcome customers and potential business partners from all over the world to work together cooperatively. We are AccTek. Our business is to improve your business.
Hi everyone, welcome to our company today. My name is Kate and I'm a member of the after sales department. So after you receive your machine, we will provide you information on installation and guide you to set up the machine properly. And if you have problems during using the machine, we will do the troubleshootings and find the solution for you. We are also able to send out our technicians to a workshop for the installation and training purpose.